Hello friends, myself Manjushree Gunjagaonkar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Rasiklalayam, Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune. In this video, we are going to study chemistry of diagnostic agent. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the various diagnostic agent, the classification of the diagnostic agent, and for what purpose these diagnostic agents are used. So first we'll see what is mean by diagnostic agent. These are the compound used to detect impaired function of the body organs or to detect abnormalities in the tissue structure. Now these diagnostic agents are classified into two types. First one is radio opaques, that is also called as X-ray contrast media, and the example includes propylidone and iopanic acid. And the second one is agent which is used to test the organ functions. This is classified into three types, that is, or many other types are also there. So first is to test the kidney function, for example indigotin disulfonate or indigo carmine. To test the liver function, for example sulfobromophthalate sodium, and miscellaneous like fluorescein sodium, Evans blue, Congo red, etc. So one by one we will see the diagnostic agents in detail. First we will see propylidone. It is the propyl acetate derivative in which the hydrogen atom of alpha carbon atom is replaced by 3,5-diiodo 4-oxo 1,4-dihydropyridine 1-yle group. Alpha carbon atom means the atom which is adjacent to functional group. Physical properties of propylidone are: it is available as white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly soluble in water. When it is heated with a concentrated sulfuric acid, violet vapors of iodines are evolved. Stability and storage: it should be stored in well closed light resistant container, and it is used in bronchography, that is examination of bronchi. Dosage forms of the propylidone are propylidone injection, propylidone oily injection, and brand name is Dianosil. Next drug here is iopanic acid. It is butyric acid derivative in which the hydrogen atom is replaced by 3-amino 4,2,4,6 triiodobenzyl group. Physical properties of iopanic acids are available as white or cream colored powder, odorless, almost tasteless. When it is heated strongly, vapors of iodines are produced due to the presence of aromatic primary amino group. It undergoes diazotization and can show the coupling reactions, gives deep orange or red precipitate. Stability and storage of iopanic acid: it is affected by light, so it should be stored in well closed container. Uses: it is used as contrast medium in radiography of gallbladder, as it is excreted in bile on oral administration. Dosage form of iopanic acid is tablet, and brand name is Telepac. Next drug is sulfobromophthalate sodium. Physical properties are white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, soluble in water, practically insoluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: it is hygroscopic and hence stored in tightly closed container. Uses are: it is used to test the functional capacity of liver. Practically, its reticuloendothelial cells. Liver functioning normally retains 7% dye in blood after 45 minutes, and if the percentage of the dye is increased, it indicates that there is some problem associated with functioning of the liver. Dosage form are injection. Next drug is indigotin disulfonate, or it is also called as indigo carmine. Physical properties: it is indolene 5-sulfonate derivative. Physical properties are dusky purplish blue powder, or blue granules with a coppery luster, sparingly soluble in water. Aqueous solution of indigo carmine gives blue or bluish purple color. Stability, it is affected by light, so it should be stored in light protective tightly closed container. Uses, it is used to test kidney function, to localize uretral orifice during uretral catheterization, and cystoscopy to identify severe uterus fistulous communications. Dosage form is indigotin sulfonate injection and brand name is Indigo Carmine. Next drug is Evans Blue. It is an azo dye and is hydroxynaphthalene 1,3-disulfonate derivative. Physical properties of Evans Blue are: it is available as green or bluish green or brown powder, odorless, very soluble in water but very slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: in dry form it is hygroscopic and it should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses, it is used as diagnostic agent to determine blood volume. Dosage forms are Evans Blue injection. Next diagnostic agent is Congo Red. It is an azo dye and is 4-amino naphthalene 1-sulfonate derivative. Physical properties are available as dark red or reddish brown powder, odorless, soluble in water, decomposes on exposure to fumes of mineral acids. Stability and storage, it should be stored in well closed container. Uses, to detect the amyloidosis, that is the condition in which there is a deposition of amyloid in tissue occurs, for example in liver or in kidney. Dosage forms are injection. Next and the last drug from this topic is fluorosin sodium. It is a xanthine derivative, that means having a xanthine ring. Physical property: orange red powder, odorless, tasteless, freely soluble in water. It fluoresces strongly even in dilute solutions. The fluorescence disappears on acidification and reappears when the solution is made alkaline. Stability and storage: this fluorescent sodium is hygroscopic, hence it should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses of fluorescence are: in ophthalmic practice, it is used as a diagnostic agent for detecting lesions and foreign bodies. Normal cornea is stained by 2% solution of fluorescent sodium. However, the ulcer or abrade area becomes green and if foreign bodies are seen surrounded by green ring. 5 to 20% solution is used intravenously. For investigation of circulatory disorders, this can be used, and for differentiation of normal and malignant tissue when examined under ultraviolet light. So, this is regarding the diagnostic agent, definition and classification and individual chemistry of the diagnostic agent drug. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video.